All right, so I've got the molecular cocktails ready, and we are just about ready to get serving. What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and today we're going to talk about something bartending, specifically molecular cocktails, or what I like to call molecular cocktails in my mobile bartending service.
Not that. That was fire versus ice. I'm saving that for another video.
Technically, what I'm doing is just putting dry ice into a vessel and then placing it inside the cocktail. I make sure and drill holes into that vessel so that the liquid can get in and touch the dry ice, and then the dry ice will change its chemical form. So it will be a solid, which is hydrogen compressed gas, and then once the water or the liquid hits it, then it turns it into a gas, and that's what makes the effect that the dry ice does, and it's a molecular change that's going on. So technically it is a molecular cocktail, and the nice thing about this is you can add it to your bartending service because it's fast. You quickly make them, you put them into drinks, and they smoke. They're in a safe little canister. Bam, 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 you're done.
Bam, 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 you're done.
And yeah, you can charge $300 to $400 for these as an add-on, and your cost for it is about $50. All you have to do is get the food grade dry ice, and you have to get the little canisters, like the food grade side portions with the lids. If you want to get a little bit fancier with these, you can always buy mini vending capsules and drill those out, but it's a little bit more labor intensive and expensive to drill them out, but they look really good at fancier events. So that is my video on molecular cocktails. If you enjoyed this, please press that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing so you can stay updated with my videos, and click that little bell notification if you want to get notified when I make new videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, you stay classy.